KN 7000D. Installation steps. Step 1. Open the foam package. Make sure the packing list and accessories are complete. Take out the lifting arm and LCD screen. And remove the split ring and wing nut under the LCD screen. Step 2. Open the top cover of the frame. Pass the LCD cable through the upper cover. Connect the LEMO plug. Then pass the LCD shaft through the fixing hole. Tighten the snap joint and then the wing nut. And install the split ring. Step 3. Remove the screws of the cover under the swing arm mounting base and then remove the cover. Step 4. Remove the fixing screw and the 2 limit screws and washers under the base of swing arm. Install the swing arm on the mounting base. And then align the limit screw with the 2 limit holes on the swing arm and tighten all screws. Step 5. Pass the main cable through the hole of the cover. And then insert the LEMO connector while aligning the 2 red dots on the connector and reception seat respectively. Mount the cover. And tighten the screws. Step 6. Take out the treatment head. Align it as connecting point with the slot. Connect the aviation connector. And turn the connector till a snap sound to make sure it is fixed in place.